Have you ever wondered how a single function can handle the different types of input? So in this video, I'll explain what method overloading is, how it works, and in real world example to help you understand it better. So let's dive in. What is method overloading? Method overloading is creating a multiple methods in a class with the same name but different parameters. So here, real life example of method overloading. In a ATM transaction, a person can withdraw cash using a different methods, right? One is a card and mobile phone or fingerprint. Here, the method name is a withdraw, but it takes a different types of input. Okay, one is a card, one is a mobile, and one is a fingerprint. So this concept is called method overloading in programming. So same method name with the different argument. Okay, let's write a code and understand. So imagine, you are building a calculator application. Okay, you might need a method to add a different types of numbers. So let's create a method. So now you want to add a two number. Okay, so I can say addition of two integer. Okay, addition of two integer. I am creating a method public. So this is going to return an integer. Then add method. Here it is going to ask you a two arguments, int a and int b. So now here inside that method it is going to return a plus b. Okay, this is a two integer. It is asking a two integer. Now suppose you want to add a three number. Okay, in this case you want to add addition of three integer. So here I can say public int. This is the same method name. Okay, here we need to pass three arguments. So int a, int b, comma int c. Right? So now this is going to return a plus b plus c. Right? Now next, let's say you want to add a two decimal number. Okay, in this case, what you can do, addition of two, I'll say two double number. Okay, so here I can say public. So this will going to return a double. Okay, double and same method name. So here we can say double A, comma, double B. So what is this is going to return? It's going to return A plus B. Okay. So now here we have created a three methods. Okay, with the different argument. The method name is same. See, the method name is same, but we have given a different argument. So this is called your method overloading. Then how we have to call this method? So in main method, you need to create an instance of this class because this is non-static method. So you can create a, just copy the class name, give any variable name equal to new keyword and class name. So with that referral, you can call the method. See now here we have a three method is there. One is it is asking a three integer, two integer and two double values. So now if I go with that, if I say 10 and 20, so now this will going to call the method of two arguments method. Okay, now the same way if I go with call add method, here if I say 10, 25, comma, maybe 35. So now I am passing a three argument. See, this method will going to call. So now the next one, if I say obj dot add method, here I am passing maybe double values. I mean two decimal values. So 12.5 and I can say 3.5, 5.5. Okay. So now how this method will going to call? See, now when you are, whatever the argument you are passing, based on the argument, the Java will going to understand, okay, this method will going to call. So now if you want to know that, see here, if you see that the method name, right? You click on the control and the method name, it will going to show you that which method is going to call. If you click on this, see here it is going to navigate to the exact method with the two argument because here we pass the two argument only. Right? So here, this is the way Java is identified which method need to call based on the argument only. If you add a 2 argument, then this method will going to call. If you add a 3 argument, then this method will going to call. See, if you click on this control plus click, then this method will going to navigate to the particular method. So this is the way it is going to call the method. Okay. So now let's see if suppose if I have a duplicate method. I mean, if I have it the same name and same argument, what will happen? See now, this is if you mouse over, you can be able to see duplication method. So this is going to throw you the duplication error. It will not allow you to create a duplicate method with the same name, same argument. So it will going to ask you, I mean, if you are passing a different argument, then it will going to accept. So this is what your method overloading. Okay, I'll show you that one more scenario. Okay, I'll show you one more scenario for your understanding in real-time scenario for that. See, suppose you are working on a payment processing. Okay, payment processing for a e-commerce platform. Customer should be able to pay using a credit card or UPA or wallet balance. To handle these different payment method efficiently, we can use a method overloading here. See, here I have created a method, different method with the same method name, different argument. So in this program, we are simulating payment processing system where customer can pay using a different method, such as a credit card or UPI or wallet. So to achieve this, we use a method overloading. So which allow multiple method with the same name but a different parameter. So here we have a 3 overloaded method. Same, name method, we have a payment. So this is a make payment. Okay, the method name is a make payment. Okay, so first method, it is accepting the credit card payment. Okay, credit card payment, this method is accept credit card details. Like, here we are asking card number and the expiry date, and we need to pass CVV. Okay, it simulates processing credit card payment. Okay, the second method, what I have written is a UPI payment. Okay, second payment is a UPI payment. So now this method takes the UPI ID as an input. Then it simulates processing a UPI payment. Okay. Third method is a wallet payment. So now this method handles the wallet based payment. Okay. It check if the wallet balance is sufficient or not before processing the payment. So in the main method, we are calling all these 3 methods. See, creating an instance of the class, then we call the method. So based on the argument what we are passing, it is going to call the method. See now, let's click on this make payment. So this will going to navigate to the exact method. So this method will going to execute. Now if you go to the UPI, see now this method will going to call. Because based on the argument only, right? It is going to understand. So Java checks the argument passed in the method call. So it matches then with the appropriate overloaded method. This is why the same payment method works for all 3 payment types. So why use method overloading here? Code readability. Okay, instead of writing a make payment to withdraw card, make payment of wallet payment, right? So that's not a efficient way. So now we clean it, we keep it as a clean and simple code. Okay, so there will be the flexibility. If a new payment method is introduced in future, right, then we can just add another overloaded method without modifying a existing code. So, the compiler automatically select the correct method at the compile time, it's going to improve the performance. Okay, so by using method overloading, we have created a realistic and scalable payment method. Where user can pay using multiple payment method. This is the same function name, same method name. Okay, this is a great example of how overloading simplify, real world applications in software development. Okay, so that's all about method overloading. In Java, it helps, writing a cleaner and more efficient code by allowing multiple methods with the same name but different arguments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Java tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any doubts or want me to cover a specific Java topic. So thanks for watching. Next, we are going to cover multi-threading in Java. See you in the next video.